went from a Pizza Hut cook to a shift manager, and it was time for me to be a manager, where there was a problem with that. It was also time for me to go to college. And Pizza Hut came to me and they said, hey, listen, you can either go to college or you could be our first youngest Pizza Hut manager. I said, wow, that sounds exciting, but why can't I go to college? Well, because we need 50 hours a week out of you. It's just not going to work. So I chose the money, right? The truth of the matter is, the blonde over here, my wife, didn't know this story until about 2 months ago. 10 years together, I never told her that I didn't finish school. I was embarrassed.
Imagine how I feel.
I went to Cardone's Growth Con, and I watched 4 billionaires in a row get up on the stage and say they didn't go to college. And I thought, well, shit. I mean, this must be okay. So I went back to the hotel room and I told her. I traded college for the money, for the opportunity. Now, thank God I did. I'm not suggesting that college is not a good place. But for me, it was the right path.